We agreed that Kenya is greater and belongs to all of us.
Ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa bururi muthenya wa ira ni irathondekire muthingi murumu wa kunyitithania bururi thutha wa utiganu munene wa kiuteti uria waumanire na githurano kia mwaka muhituku. Itashukia riri ni rigathiriirio ni kiungano kia mabishofu wa kanitha wa Gathoreki makiuga no muhaka miario ikorwo gatagati ga atongoria niguo bururi hote guthie na mbere.
The window of constitutionalism is opening and all of us could lash on it and start a national reflection towards healing reconciliation.
No na gutuika uiguano gatagati ka President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa mungithanio Raila Odinga ni wakinyaniirwo ndereti igie gucenjia gatiba kuhitukira kura ya mawoni no ithiite na mbere na gutumura mawoni ngurani aingi makienda kumenya kana kamiti ya andu 14 iria yamurirwo ni kuruta mwerekera wa kana ugaruruku wa gatiba ni wagiriire kana sha.
That winner takes it all. We also need to look at, and even if I go there, I'm glad, fill me with pork want to say. I also do agree. I can get 7 million votes, and the opposition gets 6 million votes. Do you think that those fellows should just be pushed aside? You wait till the next time and you get nothing.
This is self-evident in the Kenyan Constitution preamble, which stands with strong undertones of inclusivity by the use of the phrase, "we, the people of Kenya." It's not talking about I. We, the people of Kenya.
No na kuri uguo, Speaker wa bunge ya Senate Ken Lusaka ni ugitenderetie no igi ugaruruku wa gatiba ndiagiriirwo ni gukorwo iri kihinga gia kurehe bururi hamwe no yagiriirwo ni kurehe nduriri ciothe hamwe.
The handshake came at the right time for the country to cool down. And I can assure you as a Speaker of the Senate, my work also became easier. When I was presiding over that house before the handshake, you would think these were senators from 2 different countries, and yet they were all from Kenya.
No na kamitino ya andu 18 ikihariria kwambiriria wira wayo ica ikuhe matetano marathie na mbere na kwiyumiria megie mbeu njithi gukorwo itigitwo nja wa kamitino.
We might improve the economy as my colleague has said, but if we do not have a focal attention on addressing issues pertaining the youth seriously, then we are not going to solve this problem of unemployment.
Bunge ya bururi ni tanyitwo guthie na mbere na kwaririria riboti ino ya mutongoria wa bururi mbere ya kuheana mendikithia mayo. Gicunji kia 78 kia Kenya hari 100 kionanitie kunanira njung'wa na koraniria iyo niyo njira iria yagiriire hari gucaria kihonia kia ngucanio irita njira ya kurehe thayu na urumwe guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.